You! Like the totem pole that Beaver made.
Oh my God. That beaver's been doing some work.
It is a 2013 Cadillac ATS 2-liter to a 4L60E and a 241 transfer case, and it has Spider Trax axles and Reed Racing outers, Wellwood brakes. It's a full TIG welded chromoly tube chassis Bomber Fab built by me rig. Heat treated lowers and uppers, 4-link front and back, full hydraulic steering. It's just a fun little lightweight.
2,900 pounds. I saw him actually pick up the rear end on his own and move it. It was awesome.
Just all business, nothing you don't need.
All go, but it still has some show, man. It looks cool as hell. This is a freaking wall. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my God. Oh, you are a savage, my friend.
I have a customer friend who calls me Randy Savage.
Randy Savage. That's the perfect name for you, dude. Oh man. Built are savage and he's a savage driver. You can jump off the big ball, bro. This is killer. Going up it? Alright, now we get to go up it. No issues. Oh my God. This makes it too easy. Too easy.
Well, I told you I got 1 out of 3. Or no, I mean 2 out of 3. I got fucked up 1 out of 3.
That thing's nasty. That's tall. Weird. Giving it a go?
I think so.
Giving it a go. Well, shit.
Oh shit.
Damn.
I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor.
What you need, dude? Absolutely.
I just need to wipe my leg and see if we can get the photo off this rock.
My fat ass is weighing us down. Thanks a bunch, man. I'm so self-conscious about it. Now that my fitness is out, hopefully Randy can get the job done. Oh my God, this is so nasty. Mind you, these are basically street tires. You get stickies. Oh my God. Crazy.
Crazy. This line, if I back up, maybe I can get it, but I might, all those rocks you stacked right there,
Yeah.
I might just back my axle tube right into that big old rock and not really back up either.
So you're just wedged. Yeah, that's no bueno.
Yeah.
We don't want wedge. No wedge salad over here. All right, well, shit. Yeah, buddy. Got it. Whew, we were so afraid he was gonna get hung up on that big ass rock down at the bottom. But he's good. You look so small down there. Oh yeah. Yeah! Yeah, dude. That was sick. Nailed it! You made it look easy that time, man. God, this rig is so sick.